Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use your HP SPECTRE X360 as a monitor for another laptop or PC. In order to use this feature, your devices must both use Windows and must both be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And then to enable this feature, you have to open the Start menu, then go to Settings, open System on the sidebar, and scroll down to Optional Features. Here in Optional Features, you have to click View Features, then click Yes, then See Available Features, and then search for Wireless Display. Hit the checkbox next to it and click Add. And then you're gonna have to wait for the wireless display adding before you close this window. Okay, and once this feature is added, we have to close this window and then go back to System Settings, scroll down to Projecting to this PC menu. Now here, change the first value to Available Everywhere or Everywhere on Secure Networks if you're using a secure network. And then if you want to project to this PC while it's disconnected from the power adapter, you can also switch this toggle off. Okay, now unfortunately I don't have another Windows PC around me to show you how this works, or at least the one that has a Wi-Fi adapter. Therefore, I'm gonna be showing you how to connect to this PC from another PC on another laptop. So on another laptop, you're gonna have to press the combination of Windows K, and this will open the cast menu. And here in Available Displays, you'll be able to find your HP laptop in case that if your devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If your devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and you cannot see your HP in Available Displays menu, try switching from to 2.4 gigahertz band, as 5 gigahertz sometimes causes slack, or just wait for a couple of minutes. Sometimes you have to wait in order for this feature to start working properly. And then you're just gonna have to confirm the same casting the screen on your HP, and this way you'll be able to start using your HP as a wireless monitor for another PC. And to stop the projection, you either have to open the casting menu on the device you casting from and disconnect from your HP, or on the HP you can simply close the casting feature by closing the casting window, just as you would do with any other window in Windows. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.